2000 Dodge Ram Cummins 24 valve VP44 pump. Okay, I just did the tappet cover on this truck, which required me to remove the VP44 pump and all the injector lines. Okay, and the EC, the body module off the side of the block. Okay, so now starting this thing, I've had this problem before, and I'm not sure if this is going to cure the problem again, but all right, if you see here, that's your weight to start light right there. This is my, I'll turn the lights on. There's my fuel pressure. It's up to 15 pounds. This doesn't have anything to do with what is being held in VP44 pump, okay? Now, when I start this, it's going to have a hard start. Okay? It never starts like that. Now, the way I solved this problem before was I replaced this off the side of the VP44 pump. This is a return pressure relief. There's a check ball in there. This is the old one. I'm going to put the fucker back in there, and I'm going to see if this changes anything. If it does, then I know I'm onto something. Well, here we go with number 3 try. Wait for the engine light to go out. Always comes on. Never, it's never not on. There's my number 2 try. There's number 3 try, and it's blank.